What's good, y'all? Master Yoshi here. Top speed run on a 2009 Honda CBR600rr. Woo! Shit! We ain't get the top speed, but that's fast enough. God damn! Oh shit! God damn! God damn! That'll get your blood pumping right there, boy. Let me tell y'all something. Y'all see I'm out here in Mexico. You know what I'm talking about? I got a homie over there. You know what I'm talking about? They telling me they're on the phone. They said, all right, road's clear, road's clear. If you're gonna do something this damn stupid, that's what you need to do. Whoo! But I thank y'all for tuning in, man. Y'all stay blessed. Don't be too stressed. I ain't never doing that shit again, boy. Not unless I'm on the track. That is exhilarating. Need to get me some leathers too. Oh shit. But thank y'all, man. Y'all be easy. Peace. Master Yoshi in this thing, big